How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be going over a quick breakdown of removing the rear lower control arms for your 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustang. Replacing the lower control arms is a common practice in the Mustang community. This video will give you the proper knowledge on how to take the old unit out, to either replace it or to go back in with an upgraded unit. Everything you see in this video today can be found through LMR.com, including all parts and tech articles. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove your lower control arms on an S197 chassis. Follow along and we will show you how this is done. Some of the tools you'll need are going to be a lift or jack and jack stands, a complete socket set, a 1/2-inch impact or ratchet, and some assorted pry bars. Start by placing the car on the lift or jack stands and get it as high as possible. Remove both of the rear wheels. Locate the e-brake cable where it attaches to the rear caliper. Using a pry bar, push in on the spring and release the cable from the retainer. Once this is free, you can dislodge the retaining clip on the bracket. Feed the cable out of its bracket and then you can reroute it through the opening on the lower control arm. Support the rear end with your jack or jack stand. Remove the rear 18mm bolt on the lower control arm. Once this is free, you can swing the arm out of the differential bracket. Moving to the front bolt, this one will also be an 18mm. Remove it at this time. Now you can fully remove the arm from the vehicle. Repeat these steps for the other side. At this time, the removal process will be complete and you can choose to go back in with the factory replacement or an upgraded control arm. The installation will be the reverse of the removal and adjustments will depend on your particular setup. Now you can take this time to inspect your chassis and associated bushings to see if anything needs to be replaced. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to remove the lower control arms from your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about an hour to complete. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.